and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys my mini pamper routine that I usually do as I'm doing homework, and basically all this consists of is doing masks. That's the number one thing I love about masks, is that you can work on other stuff while doing them, because a lot of them take a good chunk of time to set in and work. And today I'm super excited because I'm actually partnering up with a company called Double Dare, who I've actually partnered up with here on my channel before. They were kind enough to send me a bunch of different masks, and today I figured I would go ahead and show you the detoxifying bubbling one here on my channel. Right now I'm in the middle of working on a huge assignment for school, and to help me relax I figured I would go ahead and do a face mask. I will have the mask listed in the description box, as well as all the other masks they sent me, and if you guys would like to see another video where I try out the other masks they sent me, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. And without further ado, let's get started. The mask I'm going to be doing today is the 2-in-1 Detox Bubbling Microfiber Mask, but before I do the mask, I'm going to go ahead and take off my glasses and put on this cute bow headband, which is also from Double Dare. Since this is a two-step mask, of course, I'm just going to go ahead and start off with step 1, which is the detox bubbling portion. So at first, as you guys can see it from my facial expression, it's a little slimy when you take it out of the packaging. Then I'm just going to go ahead and unfold the mask and place it on my face. This in itself was a task for me because of how slimy it was. And I don't know if it's just me or what, but this mask is huge and didn't fit on my face. I don't know if I have a small face or the mask is huge, but I did make it work. And once I had the mask on, I went ahead and set a timer on my phone for 3 minutes. As I was waiting, I could hear the little bubbles forming, and this is what it looks like up close. Once the time was up, I went ahead and took the mask off and went to the bathroom to rinse my face. And then I went ahead and just pat it dry. Next up was step 2, which is the microfiber mask. This one was just as slimy as the first one, and again, was rather difficult to get on my face and was huge. Once I had it on, I set a timer on my phone for 15 minutes so my skin could absorb all the nutrients in the mask. Once the timer went off again, I took the mask off and massaged the excess liquid from the face mask into my skin. And this is just what the final result of what my skin looked like after doing the mask. So that was just the Double Dare Bubbling Detoxifying Mask. I absolutely love their masks. I think they are great. I love their skincare products in general. I've never had any sort of reaction to them, and I do have pretty sensitive skin, and the quality overall is great. And let me just say, I was really feeling myself when I had that pink headband on. And I've actually been using it a ton now, like when I do my makeup and stuff. Like I said in the beginning, if you guys would like me to do a video on the other masks that Double Dare sent me, be sure to let me know in the comments down below, because I can definitely do that. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos each week and would love it if you'd become part of the Allie Packer Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!